Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Ollie and Nick D. That's the collaboration here with a song called Don't Worry About Me. So don't worry about them. Ollie and Nick D, they're just doing fine with this song as well. So we have this 4-chord song that works with string pattern, but also a little bit emphasized on the picking. So we're gonna do both variations of this. All right, so let's start this one without any capo. We have the F, the G minor, the D minor, and C. That's what's happened from the beginning till the very end of the song. So let's go for the full chords first. We have the F. That's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the first fret with the index finger. You bar all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. So that is the F. Then you move over to this position here, the G minor. So you keep the index finger barred there, but now on the third fret, you bar all strings there. And then you need to add fifth on A and fifth on D. Then we have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then we have the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so chord progression will be F, G minor, D minor, and C. So we're gonna take a look first at the notes with the picking based version of it. So you're gonna play this for F. Okay, so that is to pick the bass note here and the first fret E string together with the second G. And then you hit the first fret B string and a clap. That's it for F. So then you go for the G minor and you go for this grip and a clap. And that's it. So that will be third fret on E string together with third fret G string. Clap. Then over to the D minor, you're gonna play this. So that is open D string together with second G, then first E, and a clap. And then you have the final C chord. It will be, that is third fret on A together with open E string, the high E string, and then open G and a clap. That's it. So slowly, like this. Any tempo without any drugs, like this. Yeah, so there you have the picking based version of it. Now over to more of the strumming bass, and we're gonna play a string pattern that covers 2 chords. So we're gonna look at the transition here between the first 2 chords, the F. We're gonna play part 1 and then over to G minor part 2. And then you apply the same principle for D minor to C, all right? So first F, the part 1 will be down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And then you go over to next chord and play part 2, in this case the G minor. And you're gonna play down, short pause, and then down, clap, down, like this. So the part 2 comes right after this clap, the last clap in part 1. Immediately you go over and play the down, then a short pause, and then down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. So to connect these 2 parts will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, like this. And Then apply the same principle like we said here for D minor to C. So and one round, or perhaps two rounds, will be like this. Or actually 4 rounds, because that's sweet it is to play this song. So Don't Worry About Me, that's the title of Ollie's and Nick D song. So give it a try. 4 chords, picking, or more a strumming pattern, and that's it. So good luck, hope that helps, and play tuned.